Hi guys, once again welcome back to my channel. This is continuation to my previous video how about park and hold documents. Now in previous video what we have discussed about how to park and hold documents, and now in this video we are going to discuss whether they are appearing in your GL report or not. For this, where I will go, MBL 3N, I am giving my company code AKSL. What accounts I need to select? What are the GL accounts I need to select? I need to select the cash account, income account, and expense account. Cash account, income account, and expense account, guys. This is also AKSL. One sec, guys. My chart of account is AKSL. What are the accounts I need to select? Cash account, I'm just controlling my chart of accounts. That's it. Here, click on this button, drop down button. What's my chart of account? Is AKSL. Income account, expense account. AKSL. I'm selecting this all. I'm checking my GL account report balance because I have posted income and expense account in a park and hold status. Whether they are coming in the report or not, we will just check it. I will keep all items, normal items, then execute the report. One second, guys. Report is generating. Basically, when you park and hold the documents, you will not get your balances updated in the report. Just show. I just want to show you here. Show that to here. See, our 2000 and 1000 transactions are be not getting captured in the report. Why? Because those documents are not actually posted. They are saved. One is in park state and one is in hold state. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to post the park document. To post the park document, where I need to go? For that I need to go /n fb v0. What I will do, what's my park document number which is generated? This is my park document number. On which year? Fiscal year is 2021. See guys, this this document is not yet posted. So now what I will do, I will go to menu bar, I will click on post. Document is been getting posted in SAP. Now this will be reflect in our report. This will be reflect in our report. We'll just check on this ration FBL 3N. All items. Now see this 1004 one all time 04 document would be reflect in the report when I post the document. By that time only, until unless it is posted, it will not reflect in the system. See, this is my 1004 document which is been getting posted in the system. Okay guys, I will take now. What I will do, we are going to post whole document also. For this, where I need to go, /n fb50. For this, how to identify my whole documents? What I will do, I will click on my tree on button. I have given my temporary document number. Did you remember that? AK123456. AK12345. This is my temporary document number which I have given. Here what is been missed? Here the narration is been missed. Means my higher authority forgot to give me the narration, or I am bit confused on this narration. So what I am doing, now I get the clarification over the narration. It is we received a sale revenue. Sale revenue. So now what I will do? Now again I will go to the menu bar. I will click on post button. See, this document 1 all time 05 has been posted in my company code. So now we will analyze the general ledger report for the same. This is my document number. Click on this into button. When you are holding a document, you will generate a temporary document number which you can specify it as an alphanumeric or numeric, that as per your wish. But when we came to the park document, system will predefinedly generate the document number. Only that document number will get posted. No other, when you are posting that park document, no new document will not be generated. The same document number will be posted in the system. Whereas when we came to the whole document, you need to give your temporary document number as per your wish. Means either it is an alphanumeric or full of alphabetical or full of numeric. When you post this document, no, you will get a numeric document number as per our system configuration. This is the difference between park document number and posting document numbers. So where I am going to see this my document, we will go to and see this in the report. Now what we will do, we will execute our general ledger report. Ration FBL 3N. Here what I will do, again I will select my expense account, income account along with cash account, along with my cash account. I'm clicking on all items. What is open item, what is create item, we will discuss in my next videos. Stay tuned for that also. See, I'll what happening over here. Let me take account also to this layout. Let me take account also to this layout. Okay guys, what happening here? Let me do the subtotal. Just wait a second, it is buffering. Or else, if you observe here over here, in earlier what is our cash balance? 5,000. But now what happened? It has been came to 6,000. How it has been came? Because we had an income of 2,000 and we have an expense of 1,000. This is our expense 1,000 and this is our income 2,000. And my park document number 1 all time 04 and 1 all time 05 is been getting posted. By comparing all these, you can know how to post the document, how to hold the document, and how to park the document. So please don't miss these three videos for how to post a document, or how to post a business transactions, or how to park a business transaction, and how to hold a business transaction, then how to post those park and hold business transactions into system. For the more videos or for the more information, stay tuned to my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. This is Akhil signing off.